Hi there, it's Josh here from Webb's Estate Agents of Bideford, and welcome to Grandma's. This lovely and completely modernised 2-bedroom detached bungalow is privately located off of Chirkham Lane in Northern. This property does enjoy great far-reaching views over the estuary and back towards Bideford, but it does also come with great features such as the large dining room conservatory here to my left-hand side with beautiful bifolding doors leading through to an open plan lounge, kitchen, dining room. But this amazing veranda does have lots of space here for family tables and chairs just to enjoy the evenings watching the cars go past. But really, this is something to be seen, and give us a call on 01237 472 344.